In today's video, I want to show you how to engrave photos on wood. So let's dive in. Choosing the right wood. I prefer to engrave images or photos on the hardwoods like oak or ash wood. It's a great piece. I made an order and my buyer left me this piece of wood. Photo will be engraved perfectly on hardwood and oak wood like this. In Home Depot I buy this wood, and of course Plywood Birch Plywood. You can see this beautiful line and the light Plywood, poplar Plywood. So you can see the difference between birch Plywood and poplar Plywood. The power and the speed will be different according to the type of the wood that you will use. I prefer oak wood and ash wood. Light woods like birch or basswood or poplar Plywood were great for detail engravings. Sure, the surface is smooth and free of knots. For example, you want to engrave these beautiful flowers. So before engraving, we must to edit this image. First of all, we need to convert it to black and white or grayscale. Open the image in the Photoshop, and then you need to change mode and choose grayscale. Click yes. Then you need to increase the contrast. So images, adjustments, and then you need to choose levels. So you can change the black and white points to make details stand out better for engraving. Okay. Also, I want to add sharpen. So filters, smart, sharpen. You can see you can add. I want more detailization. That's so it's too much. Then you need to go to image mode and use bitmap. Okay, let's save the file that we have. File, export like And I will choose PNG export. Flowers for engraving. Save. Let's look what we have. So this is our image. Let's try to engrave this image. So open Lightburn, open our file with flowers, all supported files, choose, then flowers for engraving. You can adjust image. I will leave these settings for engraving, and image mode Jarvis I use. This, press OK. Now you can choose the size, width, height. I have Sculpt Fun S9, so my settings speed. For the test, I will engrave only the piece of the image. This is what we have. I think it's so beautiful. Result for the Plywood. I think it's look great. What do you think? I engrave only one part of the image to show you the result. I use Birch Plywood, and what we have are flowers. I think it's good result. So we can engrave on the Birch Plywood. It's look beautiful.